Hello. In this video, we are going to apply the concept of expected value to estimate or predict the business profitability. Suppose you want to rent a booth in Minnesota State Fair for selling some handcrafts, and you want to estimate the profitability. Let's do some research about Minnesota State Fair. In the past 3 years, the attendance are these values from 2016 to 2018. Roughly 2 million attendance, and per capita spending in retail purchases around $11, and a booth cost for non-food and is around $1,000 for all 12 days of the fair. So we have this information. We put in our assumption. The next year, the attendance is 2 million, and per capita spending in retail purchases, just made simple, $10. And we have 5 scenarios for how many people are going to buy stuff in your booth. A very pessimistic scenario is 1 over 1,000 or 10,000, and a pessimistic scenario is 10 over 10,000. Most likely is 20 over 10,000, and optimistic is 30 over 10,000. Very optimistic, 40 over 10,000. And the attendance for very pessimistic scenario is this value times the total attendance in State Fair. And we just made the C5, the total attendance in State Fair, to be absolute reference. And then just to read over, we have the attendance for every scenario, and the revenue for this scenario, because we have 200 attendance, averagely spend $10 in your booth. So the revenue 200 times $10, and we made the value 10 to be absolute reference. Just press F4, enter, and to read over. We have every scenario's revenue and expense. suppose is 6,500. We spend 5,000 for buying the hand crabs, chickens, and widgets, and the other $1,500 for the cost of boots and the other expense. So just fix it for every scenario, because your family members supposedly to be the sales assistants, so no labor cost. And profit is the revenue minus expense. Uh-oh, I have difficulties here. Revenue. Okay, let's just type it. Minus expense. Oh, we lose money for this scenario. And then we read over. Oh, we earn profit for the other scenarios. So, what is the probability of scenario? Most likely, we assign 30% and optimistic 20%. Pessimistic 20%. And this very pessimistic 5%. And very optimistic 5%. Pay attention. This probability sum up shall be 100%. And we are going to calculate expected profit. Is the sum up every scenario's profit times the probability. So in Excel, there is a formula to do this. Product. Just profit array, comma, and probability. Oh, this is the expected profit. Is to, oh, that's a pretty good deal. And